Good day. This is the Professopher, CBMD PhD. And today's Wednesday, February 1st, 2023. It is 5:36 and 21 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, antibiotic-resistant bacteria. So let's jump to it here. As silver nanoparticles show promise in fighting antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Date January 31st. 2023. Source: University of Florida. A new study found that small amounts of silver nanoparticles combined with a low dose of a common antibiotic inhibited the growth of resistant bacteria. The researchers hope to turn this discovery into a viable treatment for some types of antibiotic-resistant infections. Antibiotic-resistant infections kill more than 1 million people globally each year. And for centuries, silver has been known to have antimicrobial properties. However, silver nanoparticles, microscopic smears of silver small enough to operate at the cellular level, represent a new frontier in using the precious metal to fight bacteria. In this study, the research team tested whether commercially available silver nanoparticles boost the power of antibiotics that enable these drugs to counter the very bacteria that have evolved to withstand them. They found that the silver nanoparticles and a common class of broad-spectrum antibiotics called aminoglycosides work together synergistically. When combined with small amount of silver nanoparticles, the amount of antibiotic needed to inhibit the bacteria decreased 22-fold, which tells us that the nanoparticles make the drug much more potent. Aminoglycosides can have negative side effects, so using silver nanoparticles could allow for a lower dose of antibiotic, reducing those side effects. Over the last several decades, overuse of antibiotics had led to the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria and a decline in the effectiveness of traditional antibiotic drugs. Let's say you get a bad burn on your hand and it gets infected with one of these resistant strains of bacteria. Researchers say it is possible that dressing that burn with a combination of silver nanoparticles and antibiotics could both clear that infection and prevent those resistant bacteria from spreading elsewhere. Though antibiotics mainly target bacteria, they can also damage human and animal cells using a microscopic worm called C. elegans. The researchers confirmed that the silver nanoparticles did not also make the antibiotic more toxic to non-bacterial cells. And building off the study's promising findings, the scientists next plan to seek FDA authorization for clinical trials and work with UF Innovate to patent an antimicrobial product that uses silver nanoparticles. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.